So like the place command, we are trying to now do the home command with Chotu. Chotu, home. Home. Chotu, home. Chotu, home. Chotu, home. Home. Yes, good boy. Chotu, home. Chotu, home. Chotu, home. Home. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Stay. 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 Yes, good boy. Stay. 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 No. No. Home. Home. Stay. Down. Yes, good boy. So we're just going to answer some of the questions which people have asked. One of which is, what is the treats that they should use? So in fact, you can use any treats. I prefer to use these snacker treats. The reason being, they're really small, already pre-cut pieces of chicken. These are pretty small pieces of chicken. So this is what I use. Or I use eggs chopped up in small pieces. Or sometimes I use these biscuits for me when I don't want to keep on reaching out. So I can keep breaking them into small pieces like this and then giving him to Chotu. So I do that. I use a biscuit buddy, or also called a treat pouch, so I can keep most of my treats in it. Ensure that you wash it in the night. Otherwise, if you keep any of these things, then it may catch some fungus, bacteria. So this is what we use. At different treats, you can choose whatever your dog likes. So you can use some of these treats. Also, I needed to answer, somebody had asked me that since his dog was holding his hand, so you should not give your treat this way. You keep it in your hand this way, so he can lift it up like this. So when I'm healing with the dog and going like this, he can see the treat and he can lift it up, like not like this, because then he'll have to go for the treat with his mouth. So if you have got a vegetarian dog and if he likes paneer, you can go on and give him paneer or any other treat, carrots, if your dog likes. Depends on how much your dog likes it. The more importance the dog gives to the treat, the more difficult the command you can get him to do. So somebody asked, what is the correct age to train a dog? So like you can see, we are training Chotu, who is about 1.5 years old. So there is no correct age. So you can start off with a puppy which is about 2 months old, and you can also train an 8-year-old, 9-year-old dog. Depends on how much of trust he has in you and what does he like. If he likes a treat, he can do things for you because of the treat. He just needs to do things because he wants to make you happy. Also, he wants to be happy. So if a treat makes him happy, great. If a toy makes him happy, great. If tugging makes him happy, great. If some dogs, they don't need anything, just so that you are happy, they'll do it.